They took it to 10.
Hello everyone, my name is Julia and welcome to Nitro channel. If you're new here, click the subscribe button down below. So how you all doing? I know for someone Christmas already passed. For most of my Russian people, we are Orthodox, so we are about to have it on 7th of January. But everybody is about to have New Year, right? Pretty soon 2020 is about to over. I don't think everything will change just in one click as we all wish, but I hope it will be easier. We will adapt more to the situation. For my country, for Russia, New Year is a very big holiday. All families, everybody celebrated. Officially, everybody has holidays for, I think maybe 7 days they don't work. I'm not 100% sure how many days everyone has, but it's pretty much. At school I remember we even maybe have even more, maybe 10 days off. So yeah, for Russia it's a big day. I think it's even bigger than Christmas. Christmas is just smaller, just family celebration. And New Year, before pandemic and everything, people going on parties, book a table in in the clubs. They book houses for big friends parties or whatever. So yeah, it's pretty big here. And everybody buying gifts, all the stuff. So mostly we're doing this on New Year, not Christmas. So yeah, happy holidays. I got some festive makeup. I don't think you can really see it, some white with glitter. So let's jump into the video. First of all, yeah, I just washed my hair. They are still not dry, kind of wet. So I will put them back and clip away from the face. And I can tell you I already have foundation, concealer and powder, and also I did my brows. To save some time, you can watch my other tutorials, not the last one, not the Christmas one, because they are also skip the face part. So yeah, let's do eyes. I was thinking about what should we do. I will do my all-time favorite, wings. I think it's that flattering. Honestly, I think it's flattering for everybody. So yeah, we will do pretty simple shadows, wings, but pretty big wings, and I will add some glitter on wings. Okay, I'll come closer to you so you'll see me better. As always, I will start with some tape. And I got this ugly bro here from 2D. Thank you so much, sir. I already got concealer on my lids and some powder, so now we will do eyeshadow. I'm using my Huda Beauty palette and my all-time favorite color for crease, Dusk. So we will blend it a little bit above the crease. Now I'm taking my Morphe palette and I want to use this purple burgundish color just to add a little bit of color, and also blending brush and apply it to the outer corner. Now I'm taking flat brush and going with this color called Pale. Pale is me. And apply on the lid. Now taking again blending brush and just blend the edges. I'm taking Vivienne Sabo eyeliner and I'm gonna do wings. Doing them pretty thick so we have space for glitter. Now I'm taking glitter primer, glitter, and cotton stick, and we're gonna apply glitter on our wings. And I have some big glitter. I want to apply just a little bit, like brilliance. I don't know if you can see difference on camera, but it shines nicely. Taking off the tip. I'm gonna prime my lashes with Estrade on the base and put some mascara from Vivienne Sabo Cabaret. Let's apply some false lashes. I will just do like this. Voila! Now we will do the same color on the eye, the burgundy. And apply mascara on bottom lashes. Now I'm taking black pencil from Art-Visage and I want to do inner line. Now it's time for bronzer. For bronzer, as always, I'm using L.A. Pro.Face. Honestly, in winter time my skin is very dry. I have combination skin, but in winter it's so cold and windy outside, and inside the air is super dry because of heating. So my skin is dry and it's feeling very ugly, like small pieces. So yeah, this is the struggle of winter. I don't know if you can see on camera, but in real life, if you're looking really up close, it's nasty. I also want to add a little bit of shine to my cheeks, so I'm using this Radiant Loose powder. As blush, I'm using Revlon Matte. And as a highlighter, Anastasia Glow Kit Sugar. Time for lips. I'm gonna use this pencil from Divage, matte lipstick from Vivienne Sabo in color 36, and on top Art-Visage Diamond Extreme Shine Lip Gloss. And I want to tell you, don't be afraid of color lipstick, color is nice, color is beautiful. So I used to also be scared of color lipsticks, and once I tried, and it's really makes your face more interesting, and you can play like different with different colors, with like more eye makeup, lips makeup. So yeah, definitely try. It's a nice accent, why not? Why not? I'm waiting for my lipstick to dry a little bit, and now I will apply some Mario, Super Mario on my face. Actually, I like the matte lips, but it's New Year, so let's have some glitter. Oh wow, I can tell that the lipstick haven't dried fully, but it's really nice. So I'm gonna change in a little bit, like dress up, and see you do something with my wet hair. Keep on watching. So this is the final look. I curled my hair, as you can see. Honestly, it took a while, it took a minute for me. I even forgot how time consuming it is. So yeah, I haven't been curling my hair in years. I barely straighten them, or I did waves, maybe you saw my previous videos, but I haven't curled them in a while. I like it. I think it's very like glam holiday vibe, and also I like the makeup. I think it turned very well. How do you think? I decided to put on this neutral dress. I bought it when I was in Miami, and now I'm too pale for that. I can see that with tan it was looking better, but still some nice vibe. So tell me, are you going to celebrate New Year? Are you going to celebrate the end of 2020? This year I'm gonna celebrate with my family. I think first time in maybe 10 years, because I usually work always New Year's night, and last 4 years I was abroad. So yeah, it's very nice to have some family dinner, meet with my mom and my sister, and spend the holiday together. Yeah, so there are some pluses in all this lockdown situation. But honestly, probably I will not do so bright and colorful lips, because I'm about to eat. I don't know about you, but on New Year's we all cook big dinner, so I'm about to enjoy my time, have some nice meals, and I don't mind about my lips, so they will be neutral, just maybe some lip gloss. But if I would go somewhere like party with my boo, for example, to the club, or like with friends, I think bright lips is very beautiful and attractive. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year! Happy 2021. Let this year be amazing, awesome, the best. We all need it. Blessings for everyone, and reach your goals. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this look. So don't forget to put thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in my next one in 2021. Okay, all the best. Bye bye. And Happy New Year again.